Hello guys, today's recipe is roasted peanuts. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Okay, click on the notification bell. Share this video for me. Okay, let's get started. So I have a cup of raw nut peanuts. When I say a cup, I mean Ghana 1 cup. Yes. Okay, and I have water on fire. We are going to parboil this for a minute. So I'm adding salt to it. So add the salt according to your tastes, and I'm just adding my peanuts. I have taken the bad ones from it. So I'll just cover, and the moment it boils, I'm going to take it off fire and strain the water from it. Yes, so we are going to strain the water and then we'll continue. Please share this video for me, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Okay. And so after, the next thing to do is I have my baking tray ready. I'm going to spread everything on it and we are going to dry it. Yes, we are going to dry it, sun dry it. Yes, you can keep it in your kitchen and it will dry by itself, but I wanted to make it fast, so I'll sun dry it so that it will be fast for me. Yes. Okay, so spread it all over and then dry. So this is it after drying it in the sun. This is it. So we are going to roast it. Okay, so there are two methods, or let's say there are many methods, but I'm going to show you two methods. You can use the oven to do the roasting, or you can do stove top. And so we are going to divide it and then use, yes, we are going to divide it, do stove top roasting and also oven roasting. Yes. Okay, so I have my non-stick frying pan on fire. It's warm, so I've poured in my peanuts. You have to be stirring it consistently. Okay, then I'm going to take the rest also to my gas oven. Lower the gas, the fire. Yes, but you have to also be checking on it regularly and sometimes stir it up so that you don't get it burnt. So we are stirring our peanuts on the stove. Yes, and we are going to check on the oven one also. So just give it a quick stir and then we'll push it back in. Please subscribe, okay, like and share this video, and do well to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified. Okay, so this is the stove top and our peanut is getting ready. So the moment you see that it's changing color, it's ready. Yes, so just take one and try and see. It's ready. The skin is coming off. Yes, so it's ready. When it's hot, it's soft. So at this point we just take it off fire and then we are going to pour it. Yes, and the oven one too is ready. Yes, that one too is ready and we are going to take it out also. So the oven one, you need to give it more attention because that one cooks very fast, and so you need to give it more attention. So this is the one from the stove top and this is the one from the oven. Yes. So this is it for how to make your own roasted peanut at home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.